Hello makers, so I'm back and today I'm talking about puzzles. So I grew up doing puzzles, like jigsaw puzzles. I absolutely love jigsaw puzzles. The biggest jigsaw puzzle I've done, I think was about 8,000 pieces. It was of the Sistine Chapel and it took me about 3 or 4 weeks to do. So I started looking around to see if there were any puzzles to 3D print, which there are actually quite a lot of. And I got stuck on this one. So this is like a skull and you have the brain being all these little parts all over here. And the idea here is to have like something that looks like a brain, like you have the right side of the brain, which is here, and the left side of the brain, which is here. I'll talk about why they are separated in a minute. And from what I can see, it's not exactly easy. Now, I haven't put this together yet. I've just printed it. So I've printed everything on the Casha i3 Mark III. I used the new Strong Hero Rainbow PLA, which looks absolutely gorgeous. This is what the skull is printed on. This is the same material that I printed this awesome basin. These are all the transitions. It has quite a lot of transitions in one roll of filament, so it's absolutely beautiful. It prints kind of like a satin finish, which looks really good. So yeah, it turned out really good. Now for the brain parts, I printed those in Filament Vertigo Starlight, and I kind of printed them in 4 batches. So I grabbed the right side of the brain, I printed half and half, or a quarter and a quarter in this case. I printed those, as I said, at Filament Vertigo Galaxy, also on the Casha i3 Mark III. It does require quite a bit of support on some parts, so I would suggest that you have your interface settings for supports dialed in relatively well. I don't think the interface layers will show. It's just a matter of them fitting nicely into each other, but I don't think it would be a problem, so don't feel threatened by all the supports that you will encounter by printing these. So now that they're all printed, I figured I'm going to try to put this together. Now I'm not going to use any help. I'm not going to use any photos to assist me. I kind of like a challenge. This might be a stupid challenge because I have no idea where to even start, but I figured I'd do it. And I'm gonna leave my timer running so I can time myself for how long it's gonna take me to do this. And maybe you guys wanna, I don't know, wanna do a bit of competition. Print this. Tell me how long it takes you to do it without any help. Now the reason why I didn't mix the left side of the brain and the right side of the brain together is because ultimately they're a mirror image. The same parts on the right are exactly the same parts on the left, they're just mirrored. So ultimately the first step I would take is to find their same parts and just separate them. So that would just take me a bit more time. But seeing as I printed them separately, I'm gonna keep them separately. And so I'm gonna grab the right side of the brain, start from there, and yeah, let's get to it. So I have my half brain over here, the right side of the brain, and I'm gonna start the timer. Now, I don't really know how I'm gonna go about this. I know that the head has kind of like some indentations, so I might try to find those, but I think I should work my way outwards. So I can see that there are parts which don't have even curvatures or are not like pretty as these are. I'm guessing these would look outwards. So these, I think these are the way to start. So let's see how long it takes. I'm just gonna separate those that have like a curved edge to those that are just plain square. Like literally, I have no idea where to start. Nothing at all. So let's try something like, would this work? Something like that. Okay, maybe that's not the way to start. I don't know. Let's see here. This could be something like that would fit in here on the side. So I need a place where to start. I need something to start me off, like something like that. But I don't think that makes sense. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Yeah, nothing. I got nothing so far. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. I think we're getting somewhere here. So these seem like they fit perfectly there. I'll leave that there for now. Getting something. Something is better than nothing. I wonder. Because that fits nicely there. Yay! I think that's the kind of way I'm gonna have to do this. Just try piece by piece until I find something that fits. Something tells me that this doesn't fit here. Nope. Nope. This is not getting me many places. I'm just guessing at the moment. Indentations here. I'm trying to see if that helps me in any way. I don't know. This looks like it would fit here. This looks like it would be somewhere here, at least from the curvature, because it doesn't make sense. Well, almost doesn't make sense here. This seems like it has like something like that over there, but these don't fit. It doesn't make sense, but it has to be something like that. Yes, like this would definitely fit there. Definitely looks like it would fit here. Let me check something. See, this looks like it fits perfectly here. That's a good thing. That's a very good thing, because that at least gets us somewhere. Because they definitely fit the contour, so I know for sure, yes, that only took 20 minutes, only two. So this looks like it would be something like this as well. Oh man, not sure if this was for here. Yeah, this is for this, okay. So this, like this could fit somewhere here. Even this, oh, this fits perfectly there. So I'm gonna assume that this fits here. That could be there. At least we're getting somewhere. Once I do one side, all I have to do is try to copy the pattern from the other side. And that should make my life easier. Oh, what if this goes, no, too big. How about this? Too big. That kind of looks okay, I think. I think that looks okay. This is so weird. 30 minutes so far. Yes, this good. Almost. It almost seems like it fits in there. Ooh, I wonder. Yes. Yes. I'm getting somewhere. I'm finally getting somewhere. No, because now we're coming to a stage where, yeah, something like this to be somewhere there, like that, and this would go here. I'm assuming there's still like this whole thing here, which I have to figure out. Ooh, so this seems like it fits. So that's like an L shape. Do I have any L shape kind of? Ooh, this? No, other side. What about Z? There. This. There. Seems like it fits, but it also doesn't. It doesn't kind of line up perfectly here. This looks like it's coming along. This looks like it should go there, which in fact it should, and lines up with that. And then it goes there, and then it goes here. 100% convinced about this, but it seems like it fits. I think I need to change the camera angle. There, maybe that is better. So, everything seems like it fits over there. So, it's just a matter of figuring out these parts and these parts. I'm assuming this has to be somewhere. Well, this is probably somewhere up here then, like this. Okay, this would make sense here. So these look like they make sense from the outside. I am so tempted to check the photo of this on my mini factory, but I really don't want to. There's not many parts left. Okay, so this might actually go here. And this goes in this way. I think. Why do I have a fly in here? No. Please no. Oh, where did this fall from? I think it was here. I really need to sort out the inside, which is there, which kind of at the moment looks like an absolute hole. I don't even know where to start. This is going to be a bigger headache. Let me just leave that in there until I figure this stuff out here. So I'll try to see how that works. Once again, I'm just guessing at this stage. No, it can be because that's like just one piece over there. So seeing as this side is completely flat of the brain, because this has to be aligned so that you can fit the two together, I'm gonna see if I can assume that, or try to align a few parts that would make, like, you know, that side, like something like this. Ooh. Okay. New strategy. I'll take these off without trying. No, please no. I'll leave these here on the side, and I'm gonna see what I was doing here and see how I can fit all of this into that. How are all these parts gonna fit in here? How does this, like, that could be somewhere there. Maybe that's not there. And that is actually there. So something like this, because that would make sense. And then this on the side doesn't make sense, but this makes sense. Trying to figure out now how everything fits in there. But I can actually get it to fit in there. That doesn't make sense. Is it? Oh, yes, it fits. It fits, and it seems like, yes, it feels, yes. Yes. And this was here, so that fits in there. But down here is still empty. And we said that goes there. And these were, oh God, where were these? Okay, these were up here, I think. Yes, that goes in there. That's perfect. Yes. Yes. Okay, and we said this might go in here. This might be a bit of a... So there's an empty part down here. Apologies for that. My memory card became full. So, as I was saying, like, this half of it is almost perfect. I just have to figure out how to fill that part in there. Yes, this seems like it's because there's like an L shape that goes in there. So this would like go in here, and that fits perfectly. So what fell from here is this, and that's fine because that just slides in there. Now this, we said, goes in there. So there's like another piece that goes up into here. Figuring this out. Okay, so this, I'm guessing, would go here. Yeah, that would go there. Let's look. No, that cannot go in there. So this would once again go in here. But this could be, that's the one. That's the one that goes there. I'm guessing this would go somewhere here. This. Whoa. This would, yeah, and this would go like this. It just has to go like that. Why do I feel like there's something missing here? Oh, okay, that's all right. Okay, that goes in there. Now this part here goes there. Let me see if it closes, everything there. There's a part in there, there's like a slot with an L. So kind of like that one, but it can be this one. Yeah, it has to be that one. It has to be that one. Because this goes here. So we have the brain on the outside, which is ready, but quite a few things in here which are missing. I need to turn around and see if I can do it from here so you guys can see. This could be that. Yes. I feel like I missed something because like there are still quite a few parts left. Okay, so that's why. These two, so wait, hold on, because we're about to finish it. These two are the same part. I mixed them by mistake, so this actually goes in there. This has to go somewhere in there. Not exactly sure how. There. That way. That goes in there. That goes in there. 54 minutes and 53 seconds to do half a brain. What I'm actually going to try to do this time is replicate the design on one side to do the other side. This shouldn't take too long, I hope. Let's begin. One hour, 6 minutes, and 51 seconds. But took me, I think, 55 minutes to complete the first half. Second half was easy, very easy, because all you have to do is just compare the design from one side to the other and then just mirror it. I made it. Okay, so 1 hour and 6 minutes is the time to beat. I challenge you. And yeah, no cheating, no looking at this video to see how I did it, although I probably sped it up. No looking at photos on my mini factory because I didn't. This is an amazing design. It's an awesome puzzle, quite challenging. If you have any suggestions for other puzzles for me to do, please tell me about them. I'd be very happy to print them, possibly do a video. But yeah, what's your favorite puzzle? Let me know. And if you do a video on this, showing your time, no cheating, proof, or it didn't happen, let me know. Can you do better than I did? Well, probably. So yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and as always, happy making, guys.